Welcome to our tutorial on how to switch your profile to Automotive on X, Twitter, using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, locate your profile image at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to access your profile settings. Next, find the button in the top right that says Edit Profile and click on it. Scroll down the page until you see the option to edit Professional Profile. Click on it to customize your professional information. Now, locate and click on Category. In the search bar, type Automotive and select it from the options provided. Once you've chosen Automotive as your category, remember to click on Save to apply the changes to your profile. By following these simple steps, you can switch your profile to Automotive on Twitter, showcasing your professional interests and connecting with others in the automotive industry. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. We hope this guide has been helpful in customizing your Twitter profile to reflect your automotive expertise.